everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Venmo app error. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Venmo app, and once you're opening your app, and in case you're finding the issues of it's not being able to work or finding some app error for it to not operate, the first thing first, you're gonna go to App Store, go to search bar, type in Venmo, and check it out if it's simply working well or does it need an update. As you can see, our Venmo is fine. It only asks for us to open, not an update, so that means it's good. If your asks update for it, tap on update and you're good to go. Then next step, go to settings, go to the storage, and then from over here we're gonna simply go ahead, search for our Venmo app and tap on it. Simply offload this app. This will simply remove all of the unnecessary cache files and the bugs that it has been using, that has been making your app work slow, and reinstall it to make it to have a clean version of it in your phone. Go ahead and re-enter your all in credentials and use it however you like, and that is basically how you will be able to solve out your problem regarding Venmo not working properly. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.